Don't know how I can explain. 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어. 나 왜 이런 걸까? You're the cure to all my pains. 널 좋아하나 봐. 널 사랑하나 봐. 이제는 더 이상은 숨길 수 없잖아.
So I was gonna relax today at the hostel, but met these two girls and they were heading to the Bich Ding Pagoda for sunset. So I tagged along and here we are now. But I think we missed the sunset, or we are on the wrong side of the sunset spot. So we're gonna look for the sunset spot, but it's beautiful here. Just have a look at it. I look ugly as hell, but the place looks stunningly beautiful. Just look at that. It's so amazing. The sun has just set and it's giving this like orangey yellowish kind of vibe, and the rice fields just look awesome right now. Oh, it's beautiful. So our first stop today is the Trang An Complex, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We're seeing limestone cars, and the river is quite wide, so it's quite a fun experience. I think this is going to go on for like 2.5 hours. It's renowned for its striking beauty of limestone mountains and beautiful forests and pristine waters. And there will be also like cultural temples around here that we're going to visit soon. Just got out of the cave that was so narrow and quite I think it took us a couple of minutes to go through it. It was thrilling and also very magical at the same time. Can you believe how amazing this place is? The limestone mountains and the river and the breeze here, because we're stopping by for the temple, so it's really nice.
Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do, even though it hurts.
It is my last day here at Ninh Binh before leaving for Da Nang tonight, so I've decided to do the hike to the Mua Cave viewing point, and here we are now. Hiking to the highest peak of the Mua Cave is one of the best things to do here at Ninh Binh. The incredible 360 views that you can get from the top of the Mua Cave viewing point is making it a very popular place to visit. It took us only like about 8 minutes driving in a scooter from our hostel to get here, and I think it's going to take us about like 20 minutes to hike up, depending on how fast or how slow we go. See you at the top.
look at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got
Another day,
tired.
another adventure.
There's nothing left to
Just
do but to
start
say
of the
goodbye
hike, but
and
it's
try to
already
move on.
very hard.
I'll get over you.
Sitting like a pig,
Wish that I knew
but
how
I
to
can
go
see the
on.
flag at the top, so that's encouraging.
Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met
Oh
you.
yeah, another mountaintop conquered. Well, not exactly a mountain. Is this a mountain? Yeah? Yeah, a mountaintop, another mountaintop conquered. Okay, yeah. And of course I say this in every place, but you have to come here. And below, the water lilies are blooming, so it's so beautiful. I just wish that Ninh Binh have a cooler weather when I'm here. It's just so freaking hot right now, hot and humid. I just can't.